Hi and welcome in this new video. Today I wanna speak with you about a really important topic I think, and it is appearance. Appearance. How do you appear at business owners, and how do you appear to other people? So I here some points to share with you so you can improve your appearance and know the why, because it's not just the to be beautiful for like a model or for a shooting, but if two different types of people show to a business meeting, they will have probably different results based also on their appearance. And you can have an amazing content and a great product, a very good value, but if you don't have a good present, you maybe will not close the deal. And with good present, I don't mean that you should be with a ripped body, really beautiful, have perfect hairs or other stuff, but I mean other things that I will share you in this video. So make sure to watch until the end, and before to go to this, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel to support me and help me to get my goal of 1000 subscribers. So let's go with the first point. The first point, the appearance, it's pretty much also related to the status, because you can see that pretty girls on Instagram have a lot of followers, and maybe the more ugly girls have less followers. So it's maybe you think that it's just for this, just if you're beauty or not, but there can be ugly people that really take care of themselves, and this is what counts. This is the important thing, because you should take care to yourself to show other people that you invest in yourself and you try to improve your image and be better, and they will see this thing as a person that it's a little bit higher status. The next point is the appearance in business, and for example, if you are a boss and you should take a meeting for an employee to get a new employee in your company, I will absolutely watch also the appearance, but not because I am superficial, because if I see that the person really take care of himself, he can also take care of their business, because just think one moment, if you cannot take care of yourself, it's really difficult that you can take care of a business or of a big project. So as Grant Cardone say, if you cannot control the feet around you, you cannot control other stuff. So this can be really important, I think. But also when you are going to clients to give your product, it's really important that you dress really nice, and I don't mean with expensive clothing, Armani suite or Gucci stuff or other things. I mean just a simple shirt with some good pants and some nice shoes, nothing too crazy. For example, I spent less than $100 for my business outfit. That outfit make me thousands of dollars when I go to clients, and you should try, because this also helps you to have more motivation, because if you are really well dressed, you feel more in control and you feel with a little bit more power. The next point is you will earn more respect from other people. I have seen this in the gym, but I also see this outside, that people, when they search advices and tips, they look for you and they ask you things, and now it can be a really great opportunity to promote your product, promote yourself, and make sure that more people know about you, because if a person come up to you and ask advice about appearance, body or business, you have your good appearance, so you have credibility. And maybe if they are speaking with other people, they think, okay, I can advise this person to also my friend, because he is the same problem of me, and this person with good appearance can advise to him and give him some help. The next point is the perception that, especially in business, because this channel is about business, if you are really of nice presence with a well-dressed, maybe a nice computer and maybe a simple watch, you can increase your status with the client, and the perception of the client will go really up, so you can charge more for the price and really drive the conversation. This also helps you to your social life, to have more people around you and more quality people. To help this in business, you can use a little bit of complicated words, because for example, I can go to clients and speak with really simple words, or I can use some technical words, so the person see that I know the words, and they think that I know more about the business and the project. That is true, but maybe you are not really good, but you use some technical stuff to increase the perception that the client has of you. The next point is the value attached to a person, because everybody, when they see a person, they just make immediately a judgment before watching them. And if you see a person with a suite going out of a Lamborghini, you will have a type of thought. But if you see a person that maybe is walking on the street that has a bad outfit and maybe has long hair without take care of the hair, you will do another thinking. And maybe they are the same people that do the same work, and they are both great amazing people or bad people, but you will never know if you don't know them. But people are more likely to do business with the person that has a great car and great outfit, because everybody watch the appearance. So with this, really finding a little bit some triggers to increase your appearance can give you more opportunity, because if you go to maybe to a restaurant and you are really well dressed and you come with a nice car, you have more chances to speak with the business owner about their business, and they see that you have these results, so they are more likely to give you their work, because if they think, okay, he has this nice car or this outfit, and you need money to get this outfit, he provided this service to me, probably a lot of other people have bought this service, so he is the money, and he create a good service. So the restaurant owner can be not sure, but he has more chances to give you the work for the social proof that you have. And another stuff that it can be really important for you is that the good appearance it's associated to quality, and this is really key in your business, because you should have a quality product. And what's the best way to sell your product? Show that the product is high quality, and also the creator of the product is really high quality. If you watch the details of yourself, the person think that you also watch the details of the business. And this is kind of true, because if I am a perfectionist maybe on my hair and on my room, I will probably be also a perfectionist on my business and on the things that I created. Maybe it's not this, but probably it will be this. Just think at the people that you know, and if you find people that are really precise and they do the little stuff, they do this in every situation. But the people that just create something or they just do the generic stuff, they will do the generic stuff in everything they do. And the last point, really practical tip that I want to give you to increase your appearance, to be better, is first of all, take care of your face, of your hair. Have a fresh haircut, maybe every month or every 2 times a month. So when you go to a business meeting, they see that you take care of yourself. Second point is if you want to have the beard, have a nice beard that it's not like you have just wake up from the bed, but it's something that you take care. The next point is dress. It's really important to have a nice dress. It doesn't mean that it should be expensive. As I said before, with $100 I have my shoes, my pants and my shirt for my business meetings. And then the other point is to add some accessories and detail. Because if you see a person that has zero accessories, you think that the person can be simple, a simple person. But if you have some accessories, like a watch, maybe a ring or bracelets or glasses, the person see that you are a little bit different from others and you are a little bit something more, and this also in the business.